Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes every time you send a simple GG or a meme on Discord? Today, hundreds of millions of gamers, developers, and communities send billions of chat messages every single day. Every single letter, code snippet, and image must be saved forever, indexed instantly, and delivered across the world in milliseconds. Back in 2017, Discord ran into a massive problem. Their primary database was holding over 11 billion messages, and it was starting to melt. Chat history took forever to load, random lag spikes popped up out of nowhere, and the entire platform was on the verge of crashing. Today, we're going to look at how Discord solved this nightmare and pulled off one of the coolest database upgrades in internet history, moving billions of live messages without losing a single chat. Chapter 1: The Early Days and the Boom. When Discord launched back in 2015, it ran on a simple database called MongoDB. It was quick and easy to set up, but as gamers flooded onto the platform, the database filled up fast and couldn't handle the traffic. So in 2016, Discord moved everything to Apache Cassandra. Think of Cassandra like a giant digital filing cabinet split across hundreds of computers. It allowed Discord to handle thousands of message writes every single second. For a few years, it worked like a dream, but by 2022, Discord was holding over 100 billion messages, and that's when things started going downhill. Chapter 2: The Java Freeze. Why did Cassandra start slowing down? It all comes down to how it was built. Cassandra runs on Java, and Java uses something called a garbage collector to clean up memory in the background. As Discord grew, this cleaning process took longer and longer. When the cleanup kicked in, entire database servers would freeze for several seconds. To the rest of the system, it looked like the server crashed. On top of that, deleted messages left hidden markers that slowed reading down even more. If you opened a channel, your screen might freeze for 2 or 3 seconds while the database dug through digital trash just to find your messages. Discord knew they needed a brand new engine. Chapter 3: Enter ScyllaDB. Instead of trying to fix Java, Discord made a bold move. They switched to ScyllaDB. ScyllaDB is a complete rewrite of Cassandra in C++. Because it doesn't use Java, there are no garbage collection freezes at all. It talks directly to the computer's processor cores, giving Discord lightning-fast speed and predictable performance, even during massive peak hours. Chapter 4: The Rust Shield. To make the system even more bulletproof, Discord built a clever middleware shield using the Rust programming language, called Data Services. Imagine a popular streamer posts a message, and 10,000 people open the channel at the exact same millisecond. Normally, that would send 10,000 separate requests pounding on the database at once. Discord's new Rust shield steps in and says, "Wait a minute, everyone is asking for the exact same message." It sends just one single query to the database, gets the answer, and instantly passes a copy to all 10,000 waiting users. This smart trick stopped database traffic overload in its tracks. Chapter 5: Swapping Engines Mid-Flight. Now came the hardest part. Moving hundreds of billions of messages from the old database to the new one while millions of people were actively chatting. They couldn't just turn Discord off for a day. So, they used a strategy called dual writing. First, they saved all new incoming messages to both the old and new databases at the same time. Then, in the background, Automated tools slowly copied all the historical messages over to ScyllaDB. Once every single message was verified and matched 100%, Discord flipped the switch. All read requests instantly pointed to the new database, and the old one was safely turned off, with zero downtime and zero dropped chats. Chapter 6. Recap. So, the next time you drop a quick message or a reaction on Discord, remember the invisible magic working behind the scenes. It started on MongoDB, grew into Cassandra, upgraded to ScyllaDB in C++, and was protected by a smart Rust shield. Thanks to these incredible engineering decisions, Discord handles over 100 billion messages with response times under 5 milliseconds. If you enjoyed this tech breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy system design explanations, and drop a comment below. Which tech platform should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.